Hi, I'm Amy Stewart. I'm the author of 6 nonfiction books about horticulture and the natural world, and 6 historical novels based on a true story. The only way I could write these books was to do a ton of research. And that's the question I get asked more than anything else is, how do I do my research? So in this class, I'm going to show you. We're going to look at how to use scientific and academic sources and how to track down experts in any field. We'll also look at historical sources like old newspapers and archives. And we'll talk about genealogical resources like census records and other public documents. I'll also show you how I conduct interviews and when I hire expert help. And I'll tell you how to spot faulty information and keep it out of your work, because I want you to be a skeptic. I want you to always be asking the question, how do you know what you know? How do you verify those facts? To be a good researcher, you actually have to be highly suspicious of even the most mundane pieces of information. So whether you're working on a novel, a memoir, or a nonfiction book of any kind, this class is going to help you to really up your research game. So let's get started.